This picture shows the source energies on the left and the 4 applications on the right, made by Lawrence Laboratory. In the center and above is the electricity, which requires an energy source to exist. Solar, wind, coal, nuclear generate electricity only. Natural gas and crude oil also generate products for industry, feedstock for petrochemicals, and everything we use in the modern world, like plastics, jets, ships, cell phones, 6,000 products. This branch represents around 30% of the consumption of the total oil in the world. We added hydrogen to the original picture, which also requires a source of energy to exist and generates electricity only. Conclusions. 1. Instead of say energy, we could say the world produces electricity on one side and products on another side. 2. We would call energy addition instead of energy transition, as probably the current energy source will not be totally replaced for a long time.